In today's video, we are reviewing the Midea MDF18A1AWW Built-in Dishwasher. This sleek and compact dishwasher is perfect for small kitchens yet can handle all your daily dishwashing needs effortlessly. Before we start, the link to this dishwasher is in the description below at the best price in the market. The Midea built-in dishwasher comes with a slim design that fits under counters easily while still offering enough space for up to 8 place settings, including larger plates, pots, and pans up to 11 inches tall. It features a modern digital control panel with an LED display, making it simple for anyone to choose the right washing program without confusion. With 6 washing programs like Heavy, Normal, ECO, Delicate, Quick, and Rinse, plus extra functions such as Heated Dry, Hi-Temp, and Sanitize, this dishwasher takes care of everything from everyday dishes to heavily soiled pots and even baby bottles. The Heated Dry ensures your dishes come out completely dry without needing to towel them off, while the Hi-Temp and Sanitize functions keep your dishes hygienically clean, which is especially helpful for families with kids. The stainless steel interior is durable, resistant to odors, and easy to maintain, while the Energy Star certification guarantees low electricity and water usage, saving you money over time. Operating at a quiet 52 decibels, this dishwasher won't disturb your home's peace, even if you run it at night. Installation is straightforward under the counter, and the adjustable legs help fit it perfectly into different spaces. This dishwasher is ideal for small families, couples, or anyone with limited kitchen space who still wants professional cleaning performance. Customers love it for being reliable, easy to use, and efficient, with more than 100 people buying it last month alone. To sum it up, the Midea MDF18A1AWW Built-in Dishwasher is a compact powerhouse that delivers cleanliness, convenience, and energy savings in one sleek package. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly, efficient dishwasher that won't take up too much space, this is an excellent choice. Don't forget, the link to this dishwasher is in the description below at the best price in the market.